Opportunity seized is information. Whether you're going into Bloomingdale's to get clothes, what do you want? Hey man, where's the jeans at? Information. You get it? Hey, what's your sale right now? I go into a car dealership. Hey, where's the Audi 4? Information. What's the lease on that deal? Okay. Hey, you have 12-month, 20. How much is it? Is that the number one question? Or just looking?
Just looking.
We just looking, man. Of course you just looking. How could you do anything but just look, dude? You don't know where anything is. I do. I know where the stuff is that you want. I know the stuff is that you definitely don't want. I know everything. Most people come here, they don't buy the first day. This is my pitch. Most people come here, they don't buy the first day. Most people come in, they look. Oh, no, shit. I gotta buy today. I lost my phone. I gotta buy today. He said that because I said what? Most people don't even buy the first day. Give the guy a little room. You understand what I'm saying? You got to give people a little room. The woman I'm married to wouldn't go out with me. How many single people in a room? Okay? Okay? You ever seen an ugly dude with a beautiful woman? You're like, how did he do that? Oh, man, that's strong, dude. That dude's ugly. She must be blind. You know how he did that? Because he knows what he wants. And he knows how to get it, man. You don't make money, you collect money. I go get people that have money and they exchange their money with me. I get to hold on to their money. This money right now, this money ain't mine. Okay? It's all right. I get some more. Okay? This money's not my money. Whose money is this? There's some Sprint money in there. I got some Sprint money. It smells like some Sprint money, man. Huh? This is somebody else's money I'm holding on to for a little while. You get it? You understand? How about this? Money won't make you? It won't make you happy, man. Who told you that? People without money. That's people without money telling you about money. I'm going to tell you something, man. If I'm not going to be happy, I want some money to go with it. You give me $10 million right now, it will not make me unhappy. Everybody agree? Imagine this though. Imagine this room, no bigger than this room right here. Y'all go from 2.7 billion to 5.4 billion. Would this room get richer? How much richer? Just imagine this. Just imagine this happened to you. Imagine you woke up tomorrow morning and you're like, opportunity, man. I'm ready. Let's roll. Claudio, put me in, dude. Okay. Where do I go? What do I do? He says, get on Cardone U, watch that program, watch that little white dude over and over and over and over again. That dude, watch him in the morning before breakfast, watch him at dinner. They said 6, watch 6 in the morning, 6 at night, and 6 at lunch, okay? That dude's going to show you how to keep your eyes peeled open, what to say to people, how to answer a phone. Come to my office up the street in Aventura. Come to my office and see if any phone anywhere rings more than twice. Phone won't ring more than twice, man. It'd be like ding-a-ling, people racing to get it. You know why? Because that's an opportunity, not for Cardone, not for me. Man, I'm good, man. I got the car, I got the plane, I got the business, I got the girl, I got the kids, I got the freaking condo in the sky. I'm good. I'm trying to make things good for other people now. Okay? I told my mom when I was 16 years old, I said, one day I'm going to get rich, and when I do, I'm going to help you. One day, Mama, I said, one day, Mama, I'm going to get rich. I'm going to get so rich, you never have to worry about money again. Because my mom was flipping coupons every Tuesday, man. It made me sick. Sick watching my mom have to flip a coupon. We had to wait to get the strawberries only when the strawberries were on sale. Okay? When I left the bedroom, my mama said, hey, turn that light off. She wasn't even in the room with me. She was like 3 rooms across the house. She could be outside with the lawnmower and she'd be like, turn those lights on. How many grew up like that? Dude, let me tell you something. That stuff is holding you back. You got to undo that. You've been brainwashed into thinking little and blind to opportunity. Okay, you got a great opportunity here. You got a guy that wants to blow up. This dude wants to blow up, okay? He's probably on the ISIS watch list. He's dangerous. He's a dangerous man. He's probably got him on some pedophile. like this dude's gonna blow up. You know T-Mobile's worried about it. You know AT&T's worried about it. They're like, we ain't worried about Sprint, we're worried about him. Because you need a driver. You need a driver. It's not the car, folks. It's not the fuel you put in the tank. It's the guy that's willing to drive. You want to you got room in your car, man? I want to roll with you, dog. How many believe this? The people you hang with influence the outcome of your life. How many believe that? Who are you hanging with? Who are you hanging with? 76% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Do you understand? 76% of all Americans. You need to write this down. Okay, if you're in this room, write this down. 76% of every human being you know, family, cousin, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, neighbor, the chick you sleep with or the guy you sleep with, okay, lives paycheck to paycheck. What does that mean to you? That's where you get your data from. People are like, I don't watch the news anymore, it's too negative. Yeah? What are you doing about the rest of the environment you're in, bro? Everybody around you is broke. 25-year-old, what? Young kids, man. It's awesome, man. Look, you're 25 and you're getting this message right now? So far ahead of the game. You know, I know there's people in the room saying, yeah, but not me. Let me tell you. Because you watch too much of that other stuff. It can be you. It can be you. It's going to be somebody. Just because your daddy didn't make it doesn't mean you can't make it. Just because your brother didn't make it doesn't mean you can't. And somebody's going to make it.
Get this guy ready?
Okay, yeah. I made it. You know why? Because I got tired of not making it, man. I'm like, I'm going to get in the game. I can't fail. I can't fail. Last thing, you can't fail if you don't quit. There you go. There you go. Take selfies easily, man.
I just got the phone. Thank you, man.
Gotta get some more, man.